and Housing. All and Housing is a comprehensive enterprise focusing on designing and providing high-end customized kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and wooden doors to the world markets. Our products range covers solid wood cabinets, lacquered finished cabinets, laminate finished cabinets, American framed cabinets, wardrobes, bathroom vanities, solid wood doors. We also provide one-stop building materials purchasing services, CAD and 3D design services, goods consolidation services, and door-to-door shipping services. All and Housing is a reliable partner for customers in China to help clients to save cost and time for their projects. Our company adheres to the quality-oriented and customer-centric business philosophy and has established stable and long-term cooperative relationships with customers from more 50 countries and regions, cooperating with builders, developers, architects, distributors, and homeowners. All and Housing has a wealth of projects experience both in commercial projects and residential projects. We're growing up together with our clients by providing them the good quality products and professional service to ensure our clients can be successful in their projects. Custom products have many details to control. Even one small defect or mistake in factory, it will be big trouble for customers in their job site. That's why we pay most of our attention to the details. From designing to production, we take care for every single detail because that is the responsibility to our partners and ourselves. From products to services, you can always trust All in Housing.